All right, okay. Una welcome. That's so. It is sweet me. You understand? When I see him say, man, NIKKI, they drop Niger things. Sometimes I know the two appreciate what you get.
Yeah.
Until say another person do one. You're going to say, not true. We they try for this side show. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't see that video. And so one or two times we don't really use this kind of video also for our show. And tonight, we get the particular guy for that video with us in the studio. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome NIKKI with me in the building. Yo! Correct. How far now?
Brother, I do.
Now, wow.
What's in the happen now?
It feels very good say we get you inside the show today. I mean, honestly, many people don't watch you on top TV. They look, say, hey, see this guy, you. Just carry our Nigerian music for head. Say one thing. But make I not just jump into that side first. But NIKKI, you tall, oh.
Yes, sir.
That name they follow you, say.
But the time when you saw
me,
me, the name started to make sense, Abi.
Now.
Not so.
And I also see, you can't make people like I'm not even try to fresh. Is it me? You say some people you're near you, you can't say you're not fresh.
Like
not
you
try.
try.
You understand? So I won't just stay far.
Somehow,
me no be like say, you understand? Okay. But NIKKI, give us how this whole matter starts for you. This whole Nigerian song. You look for the full world. Okay. The Nigerian music. How far?
I can tell you the correct story now. From the beginning. The beginning was 2008.
Okay.
When this Congwasso song was
by Nice.
The banger Nice. By this time, I started to join the nightlife, going to clubs.
Okay.
Right? So I met two Nigerian DJs. Big shout out to Larry and Mike by this time.
Okay.
Those were the ones, correct AJ Ajigole boys, introducing me Nigerian music.
Okay, so Nigerian boys for that side?
Yes, sir, for Germany. And they were playing me this song, Congwasso. And then I was like, okay, this song, they really hit me for ground. You understand? So I said, okay, make I learn this song. So when you're listening to a music and you don't understand the language, for example, you listen to Macarena.
Yes.
You know sabi Spanish.
Yes.
One day you just go pick them up like, Macarena.
Yes, true.
Now be the same thing that happened for me now with Congwasso Kutukba.
Okay. That's when I don't say don't meet Nice. I don't say this the last time when you come.
Last year when I came, they're gonna surprise me.
They surprise you. Because I don't say that year say we get them on top of the show, and someone now just meet for us and I say, wow, this guy dream don't come true, sha.
Yes, sir.
But how the feeling and the reception don't be for you since you started to do this whole level? How the reception don't be for Nigerians?
You know, seriously, the love that I received so far from the Nigerians is amazing.
Okay.
And this is one of the most priceless things ever happened to my life, seriously. Because doing something, following a dream, following a vision, and at the end of the day, you see appreciation.
Yes.
Appreciation don't come.
Yes.
That is crazy. Undescribable. Unbelievable.
I mean, and it's been like this, so I mean, no, really, for me, the fact say you take on like Nigerian songs, Nigerian music. Waiting, I can aside from just that Congwasso and this Kiss Daniel own. You don't do
Double Wahala, Collabo, Ojo Elegba.
Ojo, exactly.
Many songs.
But you say you can't pick love for Nigerian music because of the ones that way you don't do. I mean, I say you just want the hustle, they go. I mean, you can't get this kind of new love now for Nigerian music.
The love did that from the beginning.
Okay.
But this, since I'm doing it for so many years, you know, I can't lie to myself. Not be like I follow something for so long, and one day you just wake up and say, okay, do I really like the thing what I'm doing? I really love it.
Okay.
That's it. And so it's like, since I finished with covering songs and start doing my own music, this is one we go now we go take this one for later.
Okay.
We'll talk that one for later. So the love is too massive. What I got for this thing. The whole thing wouldn't have to do. It be based on love and interest. That's it.
So don't just say just want the hustle, just love and the passion you get for the thing. Okay, so now your journey now. Make I even ask you, how Nigerian babes they receive? Because say your fans. Because we know say Nigerian babe one first. You na Oyibo.
Yes,
second, you can't the knack pidgin join the whole thing. My brother, you are a brother now. So, but how our Nigerian sisters? Una well done, no. Una well done. But how does they treat you for the whole level? See, they show you love.
Once when they meet NIKKI one-on-one, when they heard about NIKKI before, it's a different thing.
Okay.
For those who don't know me, who come meet me as me, Nicholas, as the Greek-German guy, not this NIKKI guy who do entertainment.
Okay.
It's a different thing.
Okay.
Let me say this popularity, it changed something.
It changed something?
It changed something,
correct,
definitely.
Correct.
And that's why I say, if I meet let me say, fans, just like that. Or babes, we talk on top of babes now. It's a different thing.
Okay.
Because they already know you from somewhere.
Okay.
And this is like, it's easy to get into a conversation, it's easy to get to know each other, it's easy to get in contact with someone.
Okay.
Once when you don't know somebody, and when those people don't know you, then it's like...
They first give you that small space. Yes, yes.
Who be you? You understand? So it's kind of like, once when you do, when I get in from the music side, it's easy. Then it's like the ice is broken already.
Okay, so now...
But once when they don't know, it's difficult.
Correct. So now, because now you don't already... Because to the hear Nigerian song, now one thing. Now, they can't teach you Pidgin English. I mean, from the songs, you can't learn how to speak the Pidgin English.
Those two boys that I mentioned, those two brothers,
those two guys,
they were the ones influencing me. They were the ones teaching me Pidgin. My people back home in Germany, the Nigerian community where I got for Germany, my Nigerian friends, those are the ones influencing me. Those are the ones teaching me the Pidgin where I should be on that level today.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So it was like after the song is just something like, okay, I was a musician already before. So it's like, nobody say Nigerian music when they make me start music.
Yes.
I was a musician already before. I come from a music family.
Okay.
So it's like learning the slang from people.
Yeah.
This is about getting to know people, talk to them. You know, I searched by force for Nigerian people for Germany now. I said, okay, teach me Pidgin now. Talk Pidgin with me, make us a video thing well.
Okay.
So I said, okay, then the music is another thing. You can listen to a song, one day you just replied, you just sing it. But another thing that was really helping me was watching those comedians.
Okay.
You know, like Basket Mouth, like Bororo, all those guys.
Yes.
Because they really break the broken.
Yes.
You understand?
Area. Okay, so now like, we don't get idea of how, you know, the whole thing take piece together and plenty things. But aside that one, see other Pidgin language that the way you still know, maybe say na Igboro. You understand? You know when we say Igboro, now we say na root. Those thick ones then.
You know, I'm gonna tell you the biggest dream of my life so far. That is, I say, you know, I sabi German already.
Okay.
I sabi Greece language.
Okay.
I'm learning French.
Okay.
I sabi English. Pidgin. You know, English and Pidgin are two different things. For foreigners, these are two languages.
No, for us, there are two languages.
You know, but you know, I'm still learning Yoruba. But I want, by this time when I leave that planet, when I go to heaven by God's grace, I want to speak Yoruba fluently.
Really?
That'll be one of my biggest dreams.
So that means you get love for the Yoruba language.
Yoruba language.
Shout out to all the Yoruba people there for outside there. I want to make Kilo Shele. Right. No worry. But you get anybody where they try to teach you small Yoruba?
I never found that person that forced me to speak Yoruba like that.
Because
I'm searching for it.
Because for Yoruba, now course they will teach you first, so you go learn how to take course first. So you only say, yeah, go it that way, yeah, anybody, you know, so but you get to because Yoruba language, it is switch format. And it is switch format now.
So, yeah.
When was it say,
you got too many strong meanings.
Of course,
just simple things. You know, but this time when you want to tell somebody, get back from me. You just go say familiar.
Familiar.
You understand? This one is a really strong one. So Yoruba is a really strong language.
Yes, you need some kind of tone for voice.
You need to get. That's what people tell me. I say by the time when they hear me speak Yoruba, I say you already got that voice.
Yes.
See my voice going to be
exactly your voice.
Make the sound like Nigerian man.
Exactly.
So by the time you say with European, they will say familiar. There's not like you say familiar. Now you got this. You have to now this thing either affects somebody, it affects people.
So you think you all hit the person. Familiar. The person you just behave yourself.
Your body needs to be behind that language.
So now they get the scope now. You understand? But people don't know. We just speak out for you. What's in. All right, so we'll just watch more thing from you. By the time we come back, we'll talk about your music now.
Yes,
and the ones where you don't lodge.
Even I got one gift for you.
For that song, for the music we play earlier, Woju, you say they don't do your Ojoro wewe.
Yes, and I'm being the say promoters and my show don't pay me because they chop my money. They don't do me Ojoro. I'm the version, because once you're coming up,
yes,
it's a hard long road.
Now, normal thing, person will pass that road.
That's so now.
So tell us about your beduna way there on ground. What's up? And the gift you say you carry come for me.
Okay, this gift. This is for you.
Hey.
This is another one for the DJ.
Yeah.
He already got his own.
Okay.
For all the artists, always appreciate the DJ. Make you take this
Always
one.
appreciate the DJ.
Yes,
They say we appreciate you.
We
They appreciate you. Now, they feed them every afternoon. And they try to make sure they chop well for afternoon. You understand? So, NIKKI,
yes, sir.
Now the Gbedu now we do on ground. What's the title of the Gbedu now?
The Gbedu with the bass brain.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes. That's now.
It's the Back to Sender.
Back to Sender.
The remix.
But this one on your album now.
Alongside Root Bone. You know, this is just a sampler. It's the Tall-tastic sampler. You know, NIKKI Tall, a.k.a. Wazobia, presented the Tall-tastic sampler volume 1. Because this is what, by this time when I left Germany, I said, okay, I know if you come with my empty hand.
Yes.
I bring something for my boys, for my brothers, for my sisters, you know. So I said, make I finish something so I can give something to people. So right now, the covers that I have done so far, they are on this sampler as well. And new songs, you know, at the beginning of the year, I dropped one song. This is Why You Did Do Me So song. Another one is single, Be My Baby. I produced it by myself. I produced everything on it. And this Back to Sender remix is a song together with Root Bone. It's an artist from the UK. It's a Nigerian. And those are the tracks. This Who You App is there with Olamide. I did my own version as well. So interesting tracks are going to be on this one.
So and all the covers that we don't do before now. For those of you who don't know, all the ones that we don't for the year before now, everything they inside this, you know, this package like this. So but if you get them for outside.
They get them for us. You know, I printed 300 copies when I came here. I made 300 copies, but I'm going to upload the whole thing online with a download link. So people can download all those 9 songs are on this CD. And they can download them all together.
So very soon now, we'll soon hear of how they'll take download.
Yes, so even this Back to Sender remix, it will be dropped tomorrow.
By tomorrow. Back to Sender. Okay.
And yeah, everything, I will upload it. I will announce it on my social media accounts. So those who are interested, they can download those 9 tracks.
All right,
just for free.
Because so that I like the fact that at least you don't put everything inside one place. So nobody say it's just scatter.
No. This was just, you know, just to make a cut what I have done so far. And right now is the time because I start doing this Niger thing with covering Nigerian songs. Right now I start to introduce my own by remixing them, and right now I'm coming up with my own music. So this is right. Give something to listen to people. Okay, this is what he has done so far. I remember those songs. I remember this is what you think. Okay, this is the next song. Make a jam on this one.
Not so.
I mean,
you don't think like Igbo man, though. You don't blend finish, you don't think like Igbo man now. My brother, fire down. I believe you. So they won't follow you now on top of social media, so they'll know when you go talk the link.
The link now.
On top of social media, how does it follow you?
For those who want to follow me for Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, it's I am NIKKI Tall. Like I am and then NIKKI. Now this one, see, they wrote it with double K. This one a mistake.
Now mistake with that.
Change them.
So they will change them.
It's NIKKI.
So
I am AKA the Oyibo boy.
AKA the Oyibo boy. So on top Instagram, on top Twitter,
and Facebook. On Facebook, just type NIKKI Tall. If you go on Instagram, it's I am NIKKI Tall. If you go on Twitter, it's I am NIKKI Tall. And even Snapchat, but I know they use Snapchat. You do use Snapchat.
I did that once.
Even myself, I not get the sense from the time.
The ginger to do, I never really enter my body.
Never
really enter. I see they grow.
I just do it for my own phone, just to block this name. I am NIKKI Tall, so nobody could take it.
So nobody will take it for that side, Abi? Not be lying. Yeah, a reason, no. Not be small reason. NIKKI Tall.
It's not a very serious matter.
Okay, so now, on top, we'll leave music now. Which will be your favorite Nigerian music, food?
The favorite Nigerian food is pounded yam with egusi soup.
Pounded yam with egusi? Bagada.
Yes, boss.
As in, but you chop on with palmy?
I don't chop all those things, Taya.
Palm wine, you never drink palm wine?
Yeah, I drink it too.
You drink palm wine? But that pounded yam and egusi, down the, you know, amala, ewedu, all this one. But your own pandi. You sabi prepare egusi?
No.
But NIKKI Tall, you never marry now?
I never marry now.
Just hold one Nigeria girl for work. One Nigeria babe.
Okay.
My brother.
If she want add to my happiness.
See, she go add to your happiness. You go overtop the happiness. There'll be overflow of happiness. NIKKI Tall, thank you for joining us on top of the show today. And we're going to look forward to hearing from you concerning the link. And Apple will get this particular level on top of social media.
Yes, boss.
Correct one. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thanks so much for having me here.
All right, guys. As it be like this now, we come back right now. No go anywhere. The show still continue. That's so.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.